Hello, this is a video on Heavy Rain for the PlayStation 3 version. This is the limited edition of Heavy Rain. This is the back, and here it tells you what you get in with it. So you get Heavy Rain Chronicle 1, extra playable scene, the official soundtrack, and the dynamic XMD menu theme. And inside you have this cardboardy case with the pictures on. So here's one of the main characters. And if we open it up, oh no, it won't open up. Oh no, and there's another one here of the woman you play. And here we are. So all you really get with this is the disc and your standard manual. So this is our first video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below.